Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Budapest Go if you're a student. And you can get access to the metros and all those other public transports. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so now I want to show you how you can do it on the Budapest Go app. Obviously you need this app if you want to get a pass, which you can use as a student for all of the transportations in Budapest. So as you can see, I'm on the app now, and there's 4 sort of things right down below: planet journey, favorites, and more. But we're gonna focus on my tickets. Yeah, so this is a pass that I have for myself, which is valid until 2024. It's a quarterly pass, which means for 3 months. So students or even if they're mobility students for 3 months, you guys can highly recommend you click on this one. So yeah, this is it. I've shown you the details of my card. Now let's go on purchase. So you click on purchase, and then you click on passes. This is obviously ones I've had, and then you have to go on students of higher education. There's a difference. There's secondary students and higher education, but if you're a university student, I highly recommend you click on student of higher education. And as you can see, there's a big discount compared to the adult ones. So yeah, highly recommend you click on quarterly Budapest Pass if you want the best offer for you. So as you can see guys, you need your NEK ID in order for you to get access to the Budapest Go. Alright guys, I'm going to be flashing my picture real quick of an NEK ID, and like I said before, you guys do not need a student ID. You guys need your NEK ID, and that's completely fine. Yeah, so now what I've done is I've put in my details, and now they're redirecting me to the site so I can pay. Now I'm just going to enter in my card and everything. Obviously I'm not entering my actual card because I don't want you guys to see and all that. It's kind of private information. But yeah, enter the card, your name, and the month and year. And then once that's done, I'm just adding some details. You have to click on all the boxes, and you have to then continue with your Google account or any of your accounts. Once that's done, you will be getting the Budapest Pass. I've tried this method and it has worked for me really well. Obviously, I'm not gonna be buying it now because I already have a pass for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna wait until it's done. And yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. And yeah, once you finish out, you got the Budapest Pass. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Peace out. Bye bye.